Hello everyone. You're watching Wandering Architect. This is the new video wherein we will start with a chapter called as Structural Analysis and Design using the software CSI ETABS, wherein we will learn about various aspects of ETABS, starting with the interface of ETABS. We will learn how to use grid system. We will learn how to assign the various loads to ETABS structure, and we will also work towards the design of the structure. The reason why we proceed towards software designs is because using traditional method of design is very time consuming, and when we are working on multiple projects, it becomes very important that we provide the designs in much faster pace. Now the reason why we use these structural softwares is also that as a structural engineer, it is important for a person to provide design which is free from all the risk, and also he maintains the cost effectiveness by providing the rebars. So all these stability checks and making sure that he provides designs which is cost effective, all these things can be checked by using software such as ETABS. We will start working with the interface of this ETABS in episode 2. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it.